the SynDaver G2 anatomy model in Syn tissue. With full airway access, this model can be easily intubated. Muscles on the face are the only muscles not pre-dissected out for you. SynDaver models have about 60% range of motion as a live human. Resistance will be met. Nasal gastric tubes may be used in the nasal cavity. This model does not have eyes or a brain. To view the thoracic cavity, fold back the abdominal muscle. A solid reference heart with major vessels as well as the lungs can be identified, separated from the abdominal cavity by the diaphragm. The liver and gallbladder may be removed, as they are the only two organs not sutured in place. Beneath the liver, you are able to see the spinal column, descending aorta, and IVC. The esophagus, stomach, spleen, and pancreas can be identified. By removing the omentum, you will find the large intestine as well as the small intestine. Beneath the intestines, the kidneys and renal vessels are present. SynDaver models are offered in both male and female. Male units have a prostate present, while female units will have a uterus with fallopian tubes and ovaries. The bladder is present with ureters that connect to the kidney. Limbs are also sold separately. Major venous and arterial vessels are represented, as well as major nerves. Each muscle is pre-dissected and can be moved to show the deeper structures all the way down to the bone. All vasculature and nerves end at the wrist. The legs also have all major arteries, veins, and nerves. Just like the arm, all muscles are pre-dissected out and can be moved aside to show and identify deeper structures down to the bone. All vasculature and nerves end at the ankle.